In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a business account on Venmo. The process is quick and simple, and by the end of this video, you'll have your business profile ready to accept payments. First, open your Venmo app and log in. From the home screen, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. At the top of your profile, you'll see your name with a little arrow next to it. Tap on that, and you'll see the option to create a business profile. Go ahead and select it. Now, Venmo will explain what a business profile is. Basically, you can accept payments for goods and services, and while there are no setup or monthly fees, each transaction has a small fee of 1.9% plus 10 cents. If that works for you, tap on Create Your Profile. Next, you'll need to enter some basic information. Start by adding a profile photo and background photo that represent your business. Then, type in your business name and choose a Venmo username that people can use to find you. If the username you want is already taken, try adding numbers or extra characters. After that, write a short description of your business and select a category that best fits what you offer. You'll also need to add your business address and provide either your Social Security number or your business tax ID for verification purposes. Venmo may also ask for your date of birth and contact details for tax and security reasons. Once you've filled out everything, tap Next to review your profile. If all the details look good, just hit Publish, and your Venmo business account will be live. From there, you can start sending and receiving payments directly through your business profile. That's all it takes. Setting up a Venmo business account only takes a few minutes, and it makes getting paid for your products or services much more professional. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below